to change a printer from offline to online. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Control Panel. Here, click on View Devices and Printers. After you've selected View Devices and Printer, you'll find all your printers. Right-click on the printer you want to change to online. Here, click on Printer Properties. Not Properties, select Printer Properties. Then, click on Ports at the top. Select Local Port and then go to Configure at the bottom. It's not available in my device. You'll find Configure there. Press on Apply, and after you do that, you're good to go. This is how to change a printer from offline to online. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.